guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Hi, I'm Vibhuti and today we're doing a huge clothing haul. So in quarantine all of us have been shopping a lot, at least me, and this is something which has hurt my parents' wallet a lot. And so this is a haul where I'll show you guys what all I ordered from H&M and Westside. So let's get started. So first of all we are starting with this. This is a leggings or jeggings, whatever you want to call it, and this is from H&M. I love the fabric, I love how it fits me, and it's just very comfortable. So, and yeah, obviously I'll try my best and link down all the links of the clothes in the description box. So the next up is this tie-up front top in this baby pink color. I am not usually like a fan of pink, or yeah, pink basically, but I really love the color, and obviously it's woolen. And yeah, so this is in the size small, and this is obviously like so trendy right now, so I can't wait to style this with like my other clothes. Next up is this very beautiful dress from Westside, and as you can see it's a red velvet and beautiful. I have worn this dress already. I already decided to wear it on my birthday, but I wore it earlier on like an event. No, not really like an event, but like whatever. It was a photo shoot, and yeah. So if you guys actually want to check out my pictures in this, you can go to my Instagram. I'll link it down below and on the screen. So yeah, I love this dress. So next up is this striped shirt, again from Westside, and you guys have already seen this shirt in my last to last video, which was the quarantine favorites one, and if you haven't seen that video yet, please go check it out after you watch this video. And yeah, I've actually been obsessing over stripes a lot these days. So guys, next up is this hoodie itself, which I'm wearing. This is from Westside, and my parents bought this for me and I absolutely love it. So next up is this sheer mesh see-through top, whatever you want to call it, from H&M, and I love the color. I actually own nothing in orange color, and yeah, so I really like this top. And so guys, next is this dress from Westside, again in tan brown color with black stripes, and this is somewhat like in a pattern which is somewhat shorter from the middle and longer on the sides. And I again haven't worn this out because I didn't really get the occasion to wear it, but I really hope I can wear this pretty soon because this actually looks too good on me. Again, this grey dress from Westside again, and this is like it comes somewhat above the ankle, and it again fits me like really well. And yeah, I again haven't worn this, but yeah. This jeggings again from Westside in a dark grey color, and it's like it really fits me great, hugs you at the right places, and it's also not like too long. Yeah, it's like great. You can wear it with tank tops, tube tops, sweatshirts, anything. So guys, last but not the least is this black waistcoat from H&M. Honestly, I don't really know how to style this right now, but I will, surely think of ideas how to style it. And yeah. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.